Mercury. Mercury, the planet nearest to the Sun, is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Only slightly larger than the Earth's moon, Mercury's surface is covered with craters. This tiny planet does not have any rings or moons. Mercury was the messenger god of Jupiter in Greek mythology. Discover Mercury. Mercury's orbit is so close to the Sun that it is difficult to see from the ground. This explains why some early astronomers never saw the planet. Viewed from Earth, Mercury is never far from the Sun in the sky. Because of the glare of the Sun, it can only be seen in twilight. The one and only space mission to visit Mercury was Mariner 10, which passed by the planet 3 times in 1974. Images taken by Mariner 10 are the only close-up images we have of the planet's surface. Mercury's interior and surface. Mercury, the innermost planet of the solar system, is a little bigger than the Earth's moon. The surface of the planet is covered with craters like the moon, but temperatures there can reach over 800 degrees Fahrenheit because Mercury is so close to the Sun and rotates so slowly. Scientists believe that the interior structure of Mercury includes a metallic core, an intermediate rocky layer, and a thin brittle crust. The composition of Mercury is probably high in iron, although surface features indicate that volcanic activity once existed at the surface. We know relatively little about Mercury compared to most of the other planets because it is relatively difficult to see and only one spacecraft has studied the planet. Atmosphere of Mercury. So far, observations of Mercury from ground-based observers and the Mariner 10 spacecraft have not shown evidence of a significant atmosphere compared to other planets. Mariner 10 did observe a tiny amount of helium 1,000 kilometers above the surface, but this is probably caused by the solar wind and the breakdown of Mercury's crust. Sodium, potassium, and oxygen have also been detected in Mercury's very weak atmosphere, but these elements can be lost when they react with the Sun and Mercury's magnetic field. Magnetosphere of Mercury. Mercury is the only inner planet other than the Earth that has a significant magnetic field. The magnetic field has 2 poles and is tilted in the same direction as Mercury's axis.